Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I have to start doing some small things. Here in the back of the RX450h again. Backup camera is not working, so I have got a new one, so I try to change that, but you see we have some rust here, so I have to think to see what I can do with that at the same time. Also on the spots up here maybe. Now I have to get off this plate, then I have to get off this in here. Yeah, some say you should take off that and the cover there and the cover there to get in. Using plastic clips. It's kind of difficult to get. Yeah. Have to take off this electric connection. Yeah. And we have to take off the light up here. Yeah. An electric connection back here, of course. Yeah. That's off, that's off, that's off. And they say it's one screw under here. One screw under here. And you can take off this cover and this to make it easier to get to hold things. There. There. Yeah. Now everything is. Now it should come down from the split here and the whole way back. I haven't opened this one yet. There you see, it's hanging a lot of things like this. Now I just have to go over and check, because many of them jumped off. Just put them in. Yeah, at least I got that one out of the way. Now is to get up to the holding system for camera and everything. I just clean this one out of the way first, and yeah, piece by piece. Up here you see we have camera first, then number plate light, then the opener for the back hatch, number plate light, and then one screw again. So I'm just trying to get off the backup camera connector first. Let's see. To get the clips out here now, get the camera out so I can see more of the wiring. Seriously, to be able to get off this screw that was starting to just move around, and I just had to cut it off. Really bad. Now it'll be interesting to get off this connection and see if the other one is right. Yeah, I got out the camera and I got up and connected in the new camera. And nothing was working. Just the same problem. Black screen when I put it in reverse. Yeah, I'm not sure what I haven't tested yet, but I just have to see. I have try to connect all the things again. I don't want to play on the team. Put it in reverse. Something happening, so system react and see that should have come up a camera, but the camera is not coming up. If I put on the park assist, I was just I hope that it could be something here, but it tells me back door is open. I can just close it, so I have done it. Up working on the rest. It's tell me the sonar is out of function, one of them, but then shouldn't stop the backup camera from working, should it? Little disappointed. I was hoping to change the camera, shouldn't make it better there. I have to change the sonar system on one at least. I have the part. And all the rust on the back have to be cleaned up and fixed. Yeah. I know that it was going to be some work with this car, so I just have to close my mouth and start thinking. So I hope to come back soon with some positive information on this. I'm not sure if this is going to be end of a video number 1 or if I find some more on this going to be a happy ending. I'm not sure, but anyway, please help me, please send me some information, and yeah, put likes, start following the channel, start to be more and more videos about RX450h, and many about the RX400h, and a lot of other, more than 800 videos now, so thank you.